Hi guys, my name is Lo. Welcome back to my channel where I discuss all things luxury and contemporary handbags. And in today's video, I want to do a review of a handbag that I wasn't expecting to buy. And when I bought it, I wasn't expecting to love it, but fortunately I do. I think I found the perfect handbag for spring and summer. I'm also going to unbox some goodies from Roberta Amsterdam that this time I have actually paid for, but that I'm still really excited about, so I'm going to do that towards the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get into the reveal. Perhaps by now you have already seen this bag on Instagram. I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up, and I'm not sure how long I will be able to resist this bag, but it is one from Bottega Veneta. Now, I'm going to do a little spoiler, and I'm going to tell you that this is the Bottega Veneta Cassette bag, and that is because I want to do a little reveal of what I purchased and what I got. So what I thought I purchased was a bag in a pink, which is already a bit out of my comfort zone, but it was also a pink that was more on the orangey side, like a salmon pink or a coral, which I wasn't really sure I was going to love. But then when I got the bag, like, it's still pink, but it is an amazing color. And here she is. Absolutely nothing corally or salmon about this one. I checked the tag, and the color it apparently is Cranberry. Now, I would have known immediately with a color like Cranberry that I was going to love it. So it is pretty dark. It's not like a super hot pink. It is a pink that fits absolutely perfectly in my comfortable deep winter palette. And I think I will be able to actually wear this bag a lot. So then you might be wondering, like, why did I even get this bag? And why did I even get this bag in a pink when pink is not really something I tend to have in my collection? Well, of course it was because I stumbled on such a good deal for this bag that I couldn't resist. I found it on Glamoot and it was already 50% off, and then they were running an additional discount of 30%. So I think altogether that means it was like 65% off, which is really good for a Bottega Cassette bag. I'd been eyeing this bag and it had been on my radar for quite some time, but I just found that they never really went on a discount that I was willing to pull the trigger on this bag. But then when I saw it come by for such an amazing price, I figured, let's just go ahead and take a chance with this one. Even if it was more of a salmon or coral pink, I figured, well, that's not really the color palette that works for me. But with handbags, it's not so bad, and I do wear a lot of neutrals and grays and blues, and it will probably still go very well with a handbag of that color. But when I unboxed this, I was so happy. Like, this was so much better for me than any salmon pink could have been. Just to give you a little tour of the bag, I think there's been so many reviews about this bag that I don't necessarily have to go through all of it again. The strap on this one is not detachable, but it is adjustable. It came on a very good setting for me, I think, so I'm not going to adjust it. And then you have the flap that closes with a magnet. I do still have the tag on, but I'm not planning on returning it. And then here you have the inside, and it always comes with this internal pocket that also has a zipper. Now, I'm not very big on bag organizers or bag inserts, but I did order an insert for this one. I think it's actually an insert for a Louis Vuitton multi-pochette or something like that, but supposedly that's going to fit, and it was a lot cheaper than getting a custom bag organizer for this specific bag. I do think that will help give the bag a bit more shape, because it actually is kind of squishy. It is soft, like the leather on this. It's so soft, it's unbelievable. And then it's also going to protect the inside of the bag a little bit more, because this bag is unlined, as you may know. So it's just the woven leather inside and out. And as this was still not a cheap bag, I do want to be careful. So I will be wearing it with a bag organizer. Now let's do a little what fits, because I actually haven't tried that. Start off with my phone. I mean, this bag is so long that I'd be surprised if it doesn't fit any smartphone. But sunglass case. Okay, I cannot put the sunglass case and my phone in simultaneously or next to one another. Here, the sunglass case could still fit my phone on top, but if you have like a soft case for your sunglasses, I suppose that should be fine. Compact wallets. Yeah, okay. I think that would sort of hit the limit there if we put a sunglass case and we can only stack some things on top, so it's perhaps not very helpful. Let's get those sunglasses out. Sunglasses without the case. Phone. Compact wallets. I mean, that all fits nicely, and you still have a bit of room to spare for some thin items. So not a tremendous amount of space in this bag, but definitely decent and good enough for what I will typically use it for, which is going on a walk and then getting some groceries afterwards. My life is very exciting like that. Gorgeous bag. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to get it just because it was more expensive than I was willing to pay. But now that I got it, I am really pleasantly surprised. So I hope to be wearing and styling this a lot this spring and coming summer. Now, to close off with my Roberta Amsterdam unboxing, I initially received a necklace from Roberta Amsterdam, and it was a bit of a surprise PR, so that was super kind. But as much as I love getting PR, I also love buying things from women-owned brands, particularly, of course, if they do a very good job with the items that they make. And the necklace that I got, I really enjoy wearing that. It's super versatile and really good quality. So as Roberta Amsterdam was running this Mother's Day promotion, I mean, I don't have any kids, but I still love to make use of the promotions when they do get there. I decided to also place an order for some other items that I had been eyeing. So to open up the box, of course, I had already peeked inside a little bit. Comes beautifully packaged, and like she put some additional stickers on the box just to personalize it a little bit for me. Super cute. And we got the information card about the brands, and she also included a little card for me, which is really sweet. Dear Melody, many thanks for your order. Beautiful selection. I hope you enjoy your new jewelry. Can't wait to see how you style it in your own unique way. All the very best with love, Roberta. Really, really sweet gesture that honestly you can only get with these smaller brands, right? We have a little bow that we can untie, and the sticker. And then we open her up, and we have the little pouch. And she also gave me a pouch last time, which I absolutely love. I don't use it for jewelry, but it's perfect to hold some cards and my card key. And then we also have the other box over here. So let's start off with the pouch. So this is also a really nice detail. You always get these beautiful pouches with the jewelry. What I got is this beautiful bangle. All of Roberta's jewelry is either silver or silver with a gold plating, and as gold has become so expensive, gold plating is really the most sensible option for me when it comes to new jewelry. So really, really pretty, lightweight, and because it doesn't have an actual closure, it's just flexible like that. I know it's just going to be super comfortable. Your wrist is not going to get locked up in any way. And then for the second item, I've really been obsessed with ear cuffs recently, and Roberta also has some really fun and unique ones. So I got this one, which is like a gold band on top, and then a band with pearls on the bottom. I think ear cuffs are just really, really fun to wear, and such an easy way to add some sass to your jewelry stack. So I have acquired a lot of basic ones by now already, and I thought it would just be very, very fun to get something from Roberta that's just a little bit more unique. So that is it for today's video. Perhaps a bit of a short one, but I did want to show you my new goodies. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing because that always helps it grow out. I hope to see you in the next one, and as we say in Dutch, doei!